welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video, I'm going to share an easy chicken fajita wrap that will please the whole family. Chicken fajita wraps are delicious and easy to make and flavorful recipe combining shredded chicken, capsicum, onion and mix of fajita seasoning. This is an easy recipe and that make the perfect snacking sandwich. Heat olive oil in a pan. Add sliced onions and capsicum. Saute until the vegetable becomes soft. Now you can add the seasoning, paprika powder 2 teaspoons or adjust cumin powder 1 teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon or you can adjust and salt to your taste. Give it a mix. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and mix it well until everything combined together. At this point you can add a little bit water and mix. Add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it well until everything combined together. At this point you can add 2 cups of shredded chicken. Chicken here cooked with a little bit of salt, pepper and lemon juice and give it a mix until everything combines well. Here is our chicken fajita. Filling is ready. Just turn off the heat and keep it aside. We need some fries. I am air frying the frozen fries in the air fryer. First spray 9x13 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray and then I am going to add the marinara sauce half cup spread on bottom of the baking dish. Place the chicken fajita mixture along middle of each tortilla. Then you can add some fries on top and then sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on top. Roll up and place seam side down in the baking dish. You can pour more the marinara sauce over the rolled wraps. Now you can sprinkle half cup of Montessori Jack cheese and 1 cup of mozzarella cheese on top. Bake it in the preheated oven 350°F for 25 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the sauce is bubbly around the edges. Finally, you can garnish with cilantro. Once it's done, you can remove from the oven and let it cool for some time, and you can slice and enjoy. These are the perfect party food or finger food using shredded chicken. This is an easy recipe and they make the perfect snacking sandwich. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I will leave the detailed recipe in the description box and please try this at home and let me know your feedback. I will see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.